In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to repair or fix a Tesla coil and why it might not be working. If you're experiencing issues with your Tesla coil, whether it's used in a car, a DIY project, or another application, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check the power supply. Ensure the Tesla coil is receiving adequate voltage and current. A weak or unstable power source can prevent the coil from functioning properly. Use a multimeter to test the input voltage and confirm it matches the coil's specifications. Next, inspect all connections. Loose or corroded wires can interrupt the circuit. Tighten any loose terminals and clean connectors to ensure proper conductivity. If you're using capacitors, ensure they're fully charged and not damaged, as faulty capacitors can stop the coil from working. If the issue persists, examine the spark gap. The gap between electrodes must be set correctly for the coil to function. Adjust the gap according to the manufacturer's recommendations or your design specifications. Also, check for any arcing or burning signs that could indicate a short circuit. For software-controlled Tesla coils, verify that the control system or microcontroller is functioning properly. Update firmware if necessary, and ensure the programming logic is correct. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a problem with the primary or secondary coil windings. Inspect for breaks, insulation damage, or overheating. Rewinding or replacing damaged components may be required. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting your Tesla coil back in action.